All money is a matter of belief. Lack of money is the source of all evil. Money is freedom. Your income can grow only to the extent that you do. Money and success don't change people, they merely amplify what is already there. Money is a good servant, but a bad master. People who don't respect money don't have any. When I was young, I used to think money was the most important thing in life. Now that I'm old, I know that it is. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. A wise person should have money in their head, but not in their heart. Money was made for the free-hearted and generous. Many folks think they are not good at earning money when what they don't know is how to use it. Nothing but money is sweeter than honey. What if you were taught from a very early age that wealth, progress, and prosperity are what eliminate poverty and human suffering, and that making money is not some form of spiritual defect, but the highest form of contribution?